Hello, Smart Guitar. Welcome to this channel. My name is Maverick, and today I'm going to be teaching you how you can save files on your Google Drive just with your smartphone. So, as you can see, I'm right here on my App Store, and here is Google Drive because the first thing that you have to do is to download the Google Drive application. Okay, so if you don't have the Google Drive application on your phone, then you need to come to your App Store and you download it. Don't worry, I had put a link in the description and the comment section so that you can, all you have to do is just click on it, and you click on the link and you'll be able to download the application. So right here I already have it on my phone, so I won't click on uninstall. I'll click on open. I did being I don't have it on my phone, then I'll click on install. So I'm gonna click on open now to open the application. Alright, so right here I'm inside the Google Drive application. I have some files already saved, as you can see, but if you are new and you don't have any files, then it will be blank. Okay, you won't have any files inside. Also, you don't have to panic since you already have a Gmail account on your phone, then you'll be automatically redirected. You don't need to register anything, it's owned by Google, so everything is easy. Just click on next and you'll be on a page just like this. So if you want to save a file, all you have to do is click on the plus icon just beneath here. Click on the plus icon, and okay, so once you click on the plus icon, you see create new, see folder, upload. So you're going to click on upload. Okay, so I'm going to click on upload, and it will be redirected to my phone tab, the gallery and other places. So okay, as you can see, I have some, I have some images right here. So I chose a video on my gallery. So let's say this is the video that I want to save. As you can see, when I tapped on it, it redirected me back to the Google Drive page. So all I have to do right now is to click on this upload icon. As I'll tap on upload, I'll tap on it, upload. So once I tap on it, it will load and it will finish saving. So it's uploading like that. Okay, so as you can see, it's already done. Okay, it's just a short video, so it's already uploaded. So this is how you save files on Google Drive. Okay, so but sometimes, just saving files like this, you might not be able to segmentize some, so it's good to also open some folders for some of your files. Let's say you want to save videos in a folder, save ebooks in another folder. So all you have to do is just click on this plus icon also and click on folder. Okay, so you name the folder. Okay, so you just name it um, anything. You can name it video or whatever it is. Okay, you can just name. So let me just name this video. Let me name this folder videos. Okay, videos. So I click on create, and okay, as you can see, it's already created. Okay, so this is how you can, so I just tap on it and I can upload files. Okay, I can upload files inside it. Okay, I'll just tap on, I think it's loaded. I'll just tap on this plus icon again. I tap on plus icon, and I upload another file. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also to encourage me and be the first person to be notified anytime I drop new videos in this channel, please click the subscribe button below so that you can be the first person to be notified, and also encourage me to shoot more videos. All right, take care of yourself, Smart Guitar. I'll see you again. It's not bye bye, but I'll see you again. Take care.